So are you tired of blowing live accounts, feeling stuck, or wondering if trading will ever work for you? So it's really time for you to rethink your strategy and get back to the basics with the method that guarantees your growth without risking all your money. And you want to make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to tell you something here that's going to save your account. So you guys should already know that trading on the market takes a bunch of risk, takes a bunch of discipline. But one of the biggest disciplines that it's going to require is that you do not trade on a live account until you've learned how to actually trade on the market. And I'm telling you, deciding to go against this rule will ultimately result in repeated losses and psychological burnout. Well, some of you are probably wondering who should trade on a demo account. To put it plainly, if you're brand new to trading Forex, you need a demo account. If you're testing out Forex strategies for the first time, you need a demo account. And if you're constantly losing on the market, you certainly need a demo account. You see, one of the things that I tell my students from all across the world is we do not practice with real money. All of your costly mistakes should always be on demo. And I get it, I promise you, I get it. A lot of you say that trading on a demo account is not the same as a live account. Now, technically, it's not the same, but it could be the same. Let me explain how. So when you set up your demo account, you should set up your demo account with the same amount of money that you're going to trade on your live account under the same parameters. And trade your demo like you would your live. Don't trade too heavy. Don't over leverage your account. Trade at the right volume as you would on your live account. Because you see, for me, I don't want to take an L regardless. So I'm going to make sure that I trade them both the same. Do you think for a second that when I jumped into the US30 market, I traded on a live account? Heck no. I got on demo. I need to practice and realize what the US30 market was about. Now here's a case study from a student of mine who joined the US30 Assassins Club. He sent me this message. He said, "Thanks, bro. 2 days in a row, all blue. Like I said, I know it's just a demo, but I've lost plenty of times on demo before. Ever since I joined your Telegram, it's been nothing but blue. Here are my final results from today." And as you guys see, it's nothing but blue on all of his trades. And then he finally said, "Once I study the material more and build more confidence, I will go live." So just as he said, he's traded on demo plenty of times before, but he's always lost. And finally now he's trading on demo and it's all blue. And he recognized that, if he continued to do this consistently, he's going to then go on live. Now, one thing you all must remember is that whether you're on a live account or a demo account, all it is are numbers on the screen. So it's really about how you control your account. So treat them one of the same and treat your demo as if it's your live. That way it's more realistic. Now, something that you must be mindful of if you're going to decide to trade on a live account and you're going to, totally ignore this mention about trading on demo is this. And this is really to my new traders. When you have that big desire or huge desire to learn how to trade Forex, when you constantly blow your live account, you become discouraged. And you see that plays on the mental, so you take a psychological and a mental beating. And that can really be damaging. So you really want to avoid this at all costs. Because I promise you, once you start feeling discouraged and you start to think how much of a failure you are, or that you will never learn how to trade Forex successfully, it may be hard to pull you out of that depression. So to avoid all of that mess, just trade on demo when you're learning how to trade for the first time, when you're practicing a new strategy, and if you are constantly making losses. And only go on a live account when you have seen success consistently on your demo. So just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. Let's always remember to stay creative during the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.